G is for giraffe with the neck so high. G is for giraffe with the neck so high. H is for horse who loves to gallop by. I is for iguana sunning on a rock. J is for jaguar, quiet as a clock. K is for kangaroo, hopping fast and free. L is for lion, roaring wild with glee. M is for monkey, swinging through the trees. N is for newt, crawling near your knees. O is for owl, who hoots late at night. P is for penguin in black and white.
Q is for quail.
It's thunderstorm, running.
R is for rabbit, hopping quickly by. Q is for penguin.
Keeps on right.
Q is for quail who's small and shy.
Q is for rabbit, hopping quickly by.
S is for snake who slithers through the grass.
T is for tiger, so strong and fast. U is for Uriel with curly horns so wide. V is for vulture who soars in the sky.